So Nathaniel, now the car has some keys. You excited?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah? What are you doing with the Nerf gun? Whoa. Muzzle discipline.
I'm seeing if the Mustang has a
It
trunk.
does have a trunk. We can't get into it because I haven't fixed that lock yet.
What button?
What?
Why can't we get into the trunk?
We can't get into the trunk because it's locked.
Why is it? We don't have a key for the trunk.
Hmm?
Do we have a key for the trunk?
No. We don't have a key for the trunk.
So do we have to buy one?
Yeah, we'll have to order a key for the trunk and then we can pick that lock too. We can get into the trunk and see what's in there. Because we don't know what's in the trunk of this car. We haven't been in it yet. Oh, it's so cold.
Yep. I don't know what's in there. Maybe $1.
Huh?
Maybe gold.
You think there's gold in the trunk?
Yep.
Alright, it's the next week. And it is freezing cold outside. Are you cold?
Yeah.
I'm freezing. It's time to try to start the car. So we already know that this car's been sitting for a really long time and it's not going to actually start and run. I mean, the gas in it is probably 20 years old, but we just want to see if it'll crank. You know, we want to make sure that the engine hasn't seized up after all this time.
Yeah. Yep.
Hey Nathaniel, do you know what I'm already noticing?
What?
Look at the light. We have an underdash light lit.
I don't know.
Will our radio work? We got a radio.
Yes! I'll turn on music.
The International Joint Commission for Theological Dialogue.
Oh, that is exciting.
Catholic Church.
Okay, be quiet. Nathaniel. We have a functioning radio. What do you think, Army Man? Lights.
Oh.
Which one does the lights? Lights. We've got lights. Turn the radio back off again, you goof. Press the brake pedal.
Oh.
Are you pressing the brakes?
No.
Press them.
What is the light the straight on?
You're doing it. We got brakes. See that stalk on the side? Can you flip it up? 1 sec. Flip it up. Yes. We have turn signals.
Windows.
All right, everybody. Here is the big reveal. Nathaniel George. Hey, Nathaniel. You ready to turn the key?
Yes.
You gonna turn it? 1 second. 1 second. Okay. You ready?
Yes. How?
All the way. Turn it. Stop turning it. Stop turning it.
Wow.
That was a loud noise. Son, can you try to turn it again?
Oh, why?
Just try to turn it again for me. Oh. Okay, son, go ahead and try to turn the key. Oh.
Dad, are you okay?
One more time. Ah! That wasn't a good noise. Don't do it again.
Oh.
Don't do it again. Okay, so that did not go as planned. I had my doubts, but I was hopeful.
Well, we got the radio.
We do have a functioning radio, but The entire dynamic of this build may have just changed. I think that we just went from a kind of fun cosmetic changes and things like that, and now we're talking about probably pulling this in. We have a few other tricks up our sleeves that we can try out, but I don't know. That did not feel like an engine that wanted to turn over. That was not a good noise.
Nope. This engine don't look like that's gonna turn over.
Nope. It's definitely not freely turning. Maybe we could try a couple of other things. I mean, I know that there's a trick you can... There's a trick you can put a breaker bar on the...
What's a breaker bar? That.
Breaker bar on the cam retaining bolt? I can't remember. Maybe you guys can direct me someplace or tell me a little bit about it. Things are getting serious. We need an engine hoist. We need a engine stand. We need to clear out this garage. We need to put this thing up on jacks. We need...
Where are jacks?
You want to get a lift? Maybe we'll get a lift.
Oh, that's better.
It's no more playing around. Right, Mr. Bear? No more playing around.
His name is Mike.
Right, Mike? I have got some research to do.
What? What's research?
Guys, if you have any resources, any good places where you think I could go, any thoughts on this whole thing? Sky's the limit. What are you doing with that bear?
Keeping it company?
You guys hanging out back there?
Not exactly.
That's a big bear.
Come out to me. Oh, that's not the way.
You're not sitting in my lap. 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 Well, now YouTube can't see me or you. All they see is the bear.
Hey, oh.
This doesn't work.
Dad, this car smells stinky.